All right, so I want to go over what 3.04 is really talking about. In this one, it's saying there is an exercise template that has a program that's designed to read input from the user, and then we want to change it so that when the program finishes, the program is going to print the number of values on the list. Let's just take a look at that in here. So that's what it's saying right here. We have a scanner already built, already set up. We have an array list that's going to contain some strings. The name of the array list is called list. We have a loop that's going to continuously run. What's it going to do while it's running? Well, it's going to take an input from the user. It's going to check to see if the input is empty. So if they put in, like if they just hit enter, and if that happens, it will break. If they don't, it's just going to add whatever the input was to a list. We can see this running. If I try and run this code, nothing. There's no like system out print stuff, so I can just put in some things in here, and then we hit enter, and it's done. And like these are just basically getting added to an array list. We could maybe see that in operation here. If I do this in debug mode, best to put it down there. So we can see it's waiting to take a string. I put in a string. You can check to see if it's empty. If it's not, it's going to add it to our array list, and our array list is going to have some stuff on it. We continue through this. We're going to add things to the array list. And so now we have two things on the array list. That's what it's saying here. There's stuff already built. Your job is to change this so that when the program stops, it's also going to print the number of values. So basically what that's saying is you need to be writing your code somewhere down in like lines 19 or so, outside of the while loop. You could technically put it right before the break, but you really should be writing outside the while loop down here. We have the list. We added a bunch of values to it. How do we just print out how many things are on it? It looks like it wants to have like in total and then however many things are on it. If you're not sure how to find the number of items on a list, that's really, really important. We'll need it going forward. You can take a read through the section of text right above here. I won't give too much away.